Okay, we finished our dive. We just did a reef dive right out here, and we got to go do some fun tunnels. I was amazed how much grass was in the ocean, because on land you don't really see grass. What do you think?
It's such a desert on like land, but under the water it's all grass, which was really fun. And it would like open with the waves and close with the tide, and it felt like maybe you could just swim through it and go to another world. So that was really cool.
Okay, so we're one little corner away from the restaurant we ate at the other day, and we are at the Roman Victorian baths. Now these were like really popular a couple hundred years ago. These are literally carved out baths, the Roman Victorian era baths for healing. People would come here on trips. They'd come here obviously for their own vacation, and the whole coastline here doesn't really have sand on this side. Now, they did some modern assistance here with the rails, because some of the original steps are right here. You can see they're not as useful as some of the modern rails are. But isn't that fun? What do you think, babe?
Yeah, it's really cool. It's incredible to think, like, we know now the like benefits of salt water, but back in that era there was so much like mystery around why salt water was good for people, why it was healing, especially like you see all the baths around England and different things like that, even, you know, really all over like Europe. There was a definite phase of time where baths were seen as very healing, and people who were sick would get sent away to spend some time in some baths. And when like you learn the context of the island, it kind of makes sense too. Malta was actually called the nurse of the Mediterranean. They would send sick soldiers here during the world wars into the hospitals here to get healed up and recovered. So you could see the functionality of these baths. Although Jeremy did mention they partially built them because women would be bathing in their full clothes, full dresses, and people would think they were drowning if they weren't in a bath. And I just thought it was like, you know, random Joes walking down the street. He's like, I thought she was in trouble. I was just trying to save her. I don't know why I went and I took her out of the water back to my house and tried to resuscitate her. I thought she was drowning. I can see why people would enjoy this, because the waves aren't coming in and crashing, and you don't get nervous you're gonna get swept out to sea. This is a good idea. I like it.
And if you're lucky, you're gonna get a crab partner to clean all your dead skin off your toes while you're in the water. So that's really what I'm hoping for. An exfoliation of my dead skin. Oh look, there's a sailboat. Woo!
Little cold.
Little cold. Little reminder. Little reminder. Oh! Whew. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. Okay. It's not bad. Not bad. Ah. Okay. I'm doing it. Now I can be here, enjoy the baths. I feel like I'm a part of history, to be honest. Right here. This feels like this was the modern day hot tub. You can only imagine a couple hundred years ago, maybe 1,000 years ago, maybe 2,000 years ago, there were stories of like, you got to go to Malta, this place called Sweet Honey, and they've got these baths that are attached to the ocean, and they're healing, and they're the best thing ever. It's like acai berries before acai berries, you know?
Plants in here? I like the little white curly-Q plants. They're really cute.
I don't know. Just kind of a coral, like it looks like jicama slices, you know, or radish slices. Is it fun?
Yeah. Does it look like I'm walking on the moon, kind of? Ignore the water. Does it look like I'm walking on the moon? Be honest. I feel like I am, apart from the, you know, anti-gravity thing.